Hello friends, this is a normal experience which all of us feel, experience. And as coaches, we always see with our clients, and even as an individual, we notice with the people who are around us. In our normal cognition, or you say experiences, we procrastinate, we develop self-doubts, we also get attacked by our inner critics, and ultimately because of this inner critics and inner conflicts, we get paralyzed. Why this happens? Why we are not able to do the time, take the time and do the work at times. Like we procrastinate, we just leave the things, we develop escapist tendencies. Why? These are all lack of confidence. So the confidence is the medicine for all of us to move in a growth direction. We intend not to make you feel good about yourself by telling you that we are going to help you out to get the medicine to gain the confidence. We will make you understand the limiting beliefs which you are carrying with you. And because of those limiting beliefs, you develop self-doubts, you develop skepticism, and because of these self-doubts, you get into a low self-confidence mode. So therefore, we are here to tell you about how to get your confidence back, or how to get away from all these habits. Won't you like to help yourself to develop the growth mindset, or to stop self-sabotaging and procrastinating and ultimately getting out of self-doubts? Or you are going to learn what is the difference between self-confidence and self-esteem. The confidence to reach the goals aspire you to get the confidence, and how to do it, that you are going to learn and understand. So we are going to talk about this very special topic, that is confidence, in our coming webinar, and we are going to discuss this topic in detail so that you can understand how to take up these problems and get over them. So in series of my programs on conquering your mind, this is the fourth element which we are going to discuss in detail and give you the systems and tools to gain your self-confidence and of course self-esteem. So looking forward to meet you. Please go for details on the registration and register for the webinar. So as usual, we are going to have a detailed interaction and we are going to discuss these issues in detail. Thank you.